Wow, this is awesome. Look how you can rotate the model and see the results in real time. It's such a game changer. Hi there. In today's video, I'll show you how to generate an image, turn it into 3D, and see the update in real time. My name is Omar, and you're watching Quicktips tutorials. If you enjoy this content, please consider subscribing. It would mean a lot. Let's start by heading to Krea.ai, hover over Generate, and click on Image. I'll start with my prompt here, a silver classic sports car with a white background. Let's click Generate. Okay, this car looks suitable. Let me hover over the image and press Download. Now go to Generate and click on Realtime. Okay, so we have two sections here, the left and the right. Whatever you do on the left will update in real time on the right side. Let me delete those example shapes. Let's upload my image. Let me scale it. Right click and remove background. Right click again, convert to 3D. Okay, so I have my model here. Let me first delete my image. Select my model and try and rotate it. You can see it's updating in real time on the right side. Now I want to try and add this car on the moon. Let's add this to the prompt, a silver classic sports car on the moon surface. Now I want to change my background on the left side to have something close to a moon surface as a reference. Click on canvas background. You have color, you can change the color photos. I'll choose textures for now and click on this image. Okay, we see some changes here. Let's rotate. Wow. Now, if I increase the strength, it will add more and more details as I increase it. Oh, wow, look at that. You can also click on the variation button to get a different image. Okay, let's spice it up a bit. Let's add an additional moon. Go to Shapes, select Circle. Let's draw our circle here. Let's choose a yellowish color. Awesome, right? You also have several options here. You could experiment with those. And that's it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.